In the command window, type run important. It shows this message. We can help your research and engineering project. No matter of the size and the topic of your project, we can help. Visit www.EEprogrammer.com. This is Michael Wu from EEprogrammer.com. Today I'm going to introduce a function, a specific plot function, a figure function. Now, this function is very useful if you use 2018 A or before. Because 2018 B, I think is built in. This function has been built in. If I do a normal plot, you can see the curve in the plot. When we want to zoom something or jack something, it's not easy. Now, in 2018B, actually you can jack it. You can jack it by the mouse. You don't have to click any button. You can also zoom it by rolling the wheel on your mouse. It is very convenient, but this only happen for 2018B or later. So, what if you are using MATLAB 2018A? There is a function called mouse figure. You can download it from MATLAB, a MATLAB file exchange. First of all, you use mouse figure as a function. You create a figure, and then you create a plot. Now, you can zoom with your wheel on the mouse. You can jack without clicking any extra button. Now, you may not see any significant effect on here. The key reason is I'm using 2018B, but if you're using 2018A, you will see the difference.
If your research or engineering projects are falling behind, EEprogrammer.com can help you get them back on track without exploding your budget. Let us know what you need. You'll find relief here. Visit EEprogrammer.com. We can help you.